Hello students, today's topic is stack. A stack is a linear data structure in which item may be added or removed only at one end. For example, a stack of dishes, a stack of pennies, and a stack of folded towels. Observe that an item may be added or removed only from the top of the stack. This means, in particular, the last item to be added in a stack is the first item to be removed. Accordingly, stacks are called last in first out, or we can say LIFO. So a stack is a list of elements in which an element may be inserted or deleted at one end called the top of the stack. This means in particular the elements are removed from a stack in the reverse order of that in which they are inserted into the stack. An item may be added or removed only from the top of any of the stacks. This means in particular that the last item may be added to a stack is the first item to be removed. Accordingly, stacks are called last in first out list. So there are two basic operations with stack. Push. First is push. Push is a term used to insert an element into a stack. If we have to insert an item into a stack, we call this procedure push. And second is pop. Pop is a term used to delete an item from a stack. We have to delete an item from the stack. The term is called pop. 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 So first we will discuss the algorithm for push. Here we have an array stack. Top is a pointer. Max stack is the size of the array. An item which we want to push or which we want to insert into a stack. So this procedure pushes an item onto a stack. So first we have to check that if our stack is full or not. So if top equal to max stack means if our top pointer is at the max of the array, then our array is full and we cannot insert an item into the array. So we write overflow and exit. If first condition is not true, then we have to increase top by 1, say top equal to top plus 1, and we will insert the new item at the position top. So stack top equal to item and return. This is how we insert an item into a stack, or we push an item into a stack. So we will discuss now pop operation, or we can say delete. So here stack is a array. Top is a pointer, and item is a variable in which we have to assign the element which we delete from stack. So this procedure deletes the top element of stack and assigns it to the variable item. We have to delete a top element of the stack and we will assign that element to variable item. So first we have to check if we have an element in the stack or our stack is empty. If our stack is empty, then we don't have anything to be popped out of stack or to be deleted out of stack. So this case we will call underflow. So how we will check if top equal to 0, then print underflow and return. Otherwise, if first condition is not true, then set item equal to stack top. The element at stack top, we will assign that element to item and we will decrease the top by 1, top equal to top minus 1 and return. This is how we will delete an item or pop an item from stack. So we note that the value of top is changed before the insertion in push, but the value of top is changed after the deletion in pop. So in case of push operation, first we will increase the value of top, that is top equal to top plus 1, and then we push the item into the stack. But in case of pop or in case of delete, first we will decrease the item, the top, that is top equal to top minus 1, and then the item is deleted or popped from stack. That's it. Thank you.